everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have a Cult Beauty limited edition unboxing to share with you, and it's one of their 6 Christmas edits that they've recently released. This is the Unwrap luxury box. It costs £85 and it has a whopping value of £560. It's really heavy. If you're interested in this box for yourself or any of the other boxes, you've got hair care, body care, grooming, fragrance. I can't remember the rest now, but I'll list them all down below in my description, as well as any discount codes I can find. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there, including a giveaway I've got running on Instagram at the moment to win a Sephora collection calendar. So you'll find that down there as well. I wanted to get one of the boxes as soon as I found out that Cult Beauty were doing them. All the big brands are doing them at the moment, but yeah, Cult Beauty brought out 6 and they range from £30 and this is the most expensive one, £85. Now, I just want to say the reason I got this is because of you lovely lot that used my refer a friend code, which will entitle you to £5 off and sometimes a freebie if you spend over £40 or £45 or something like that. Unfortunately, you can't use that code against these boxes, but some of you have been using it to purchase other things off the website. Well, I've been collecting credits, so it's thanks to you that I was able to store up my credits so that I was able to get this. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. But before I do, I'll just read to you what's on the front here. Unwrap Luxury. Discover the very best in luxury beauty with some of the all-time greats from our most decadent brands. Think of this as the ultimate indulgence for your skin, body and more. And I just realised there's one product in here that I am really excited for. And the cost is above the cost of the actual box. Yeah, I can't wait. It's so heavy. It's this Espa product here is, I bet. We have got a QR code, so let's scan that to see if I can give you any extra information about it. It just brings me to a page on Cult Beauty that has all the products, and looking at all the reviews, look at them. Hopefully you can see there, it might be a bit like, it might be a bit flashy, but see the reviews? They're all really highly rated. Except for the bottom one, that hasn't been, whoa, iFix, £95, that hasn't been reviewed yet. Okay, so let's start off then with my favourite serum in the world. Bioeffect EGF serum. Now, I've only ever had 5ml minis in beauty boxes before. This is the full size, 15ml, which you can purchase for, I think it's around £110. It's such a oh my word, look. It's such a gorgeous serum. My skin looks amazing after I use it. Obviously I use other skincare as well. I use a moisturiser and SPF and things like that, but oh, I do really like it. Let's read you a little bit about it. It's a multi-award winning EGF serum. EGF is a protein that plays a key part in production of collagen and elastin. We have an abundance of it in our youth and it gradually declines as we mature. This concentrated, exceedingly pure formula harnesses the barley-derived growth factor alongside 6 other ingredients to significantly diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles, dramatically boost radiance, renew the skin and increase its thickness. Made without fragrance, alcohol and oil, you can be sure that this serum delivers only the purest effective ingredients to your skin. Loads and loads of you love it. I know you do, because whenever we see an EGF serum in any beauty box, I know it's like, oh, I know a lot of you get the box because of this. But yeah, 100, what's it say? Does it say there how much it is? Oh, £129. £129. I'm not going to waste it on my hand. I'm going to save that. So that's the first item in the box. Oh, that needs a good shake. It's a relaxing salt scrub by Espa. Soothing body scrub to nourish and smooth for soft glowing skin. There's 700 grams there. So yeah, there you can see there's liquid. So before I open it, I'll give it a good old shake up. I can't show you because it's really, you can see at the top there, it's really liquidy. I'd get a spoon or something and stir in there, just so that it's more evenly distributed, because it is literally, all the liquidy stuff is risen to the top. This is full size and it retails for £40. A soothing 3-in-1 body scrub that effectively nourishes, refines and hydrates. Espa's relaxing salt scrub leaves your skin feeling soft and glowing. We're impressed. Bursting with natural sea salts that sweep away dry, dull skin. Sweet almond oil that nourishes and hydrates, while bay and lavender calm the senses. This relaxing salt scrub is a must for your bath of relaxing essentials. Plus it's suitable for all skin types, especially dry, rough skin, or for those that need to unwind. It doesn't mention anything about giving it a good old stir first, but yeah, you can clearly see I haven't got a bath. We ripped ours out last year, so I'll be using this in a shower, but yeah, I'll see what it's like once I've mixed it all up together. Next we have got, oh, this is the, is it £95 iFix Essential iFix Solution de Mamiel. 10 mils here, 10 mils. And this is for stress-induced signs of aging, firm and rehydrate the delicate eye area with this highly targeted serum. Antioxidant Q10, cornflower and tuberose smooth the appearance of fine lines by increasing hydration and supporting collagen. With regular use, the eye area appears noticeably revitalised, refreshed and more youthful. Well, I haven't tried anything from this brand before. Look, it's got its own little booklet. There. Oh, it's a roller. I love these. It just feels so nice when you apply it on your skin because it's so cooling as well. And you don't waste it. Feels quite nice on the skin. De Mamiel Essential iFix, £95. Next we've got Verso Hydration Serum with Niacinamide. There's 30 mils here. This is full size and is worth £80. Verso's expertly crafted answer to dryness and dehydration. The unique formula stars a mixture of oat lipids and oils derived from the Nordic countries. A light gel serum in texture, this luscious liquid can be layered with day or night cream for ultimate hydration. We've got a hydration serum with niacinamide. Next we've got a product from LAlgenist. This is Genius Liquid Collagen Lip. Hyaluronic acid and vitamin and vegan collagen. There's 15 mils here. Gorgeous box. So before I try it, let's have a look, see what it says about it. This is a Genius Liquid Collagen Lip Treatment. It's full size and retails for £36. This unique dual phase lip treatment suspends botanical lip enhancers and hundreds of beads of microalgae oil in collagen water to help visibly fill out lines and improve lip definition with long-lasting benefits in as little as 10 days. Simply apply with soothing and cooling ceramic tip applicator. There. Let's try a little bit. Ooh, you can see the little beads. But yeah, I'm more likely to use it at night before I go to sleep. We've got a Dr. Barbara Sturm. This is a anti-aging body cream and there's 50 mils here. I've been using the day cream from this brand recently and it is gorgeous. I received it in a beauty box, can't remember what one it was now. But I finished the whole lot. I think that was about 30 mils as well. It's a really gorgeous cream, really lovely. I've put too much on now. Oh, does it smell? No. My fingers as well. This is 50 mils, so this is a little mini. I'm not sure if you can get it at this size, but for 200 mils, it's £95. So you're looking at around £25 worth of body cream here. This lightweight yet luxuriously rich body cream is jam-packed with hard-working actives to help visibly improve skin. Extracts of almond and elderberry blossom firm and tighten. Nutrient-rich plant oils restore lost elasticity for firmer, rejuvenated skin, and antioxidants protect the skin from free radicals, while pure glacier water refreshes, improves absorption and provides long-lasting hydration to parched cells. We've got a body cream. Next we've got Oskia London. This is a liquid mask. This is a lactic acid micro peel and there's 30 mils here. An overnight radiance and conditioning peel containing 10% lactic acid, super nutrients, multivitamins and antioxidants to visibly illuminate and improve skin's condition and texture. It contains lactic acid, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, red snow, black carrot. Red snow? What is red snow? No explanation about what red snow is. Black carrot extracts, cactus stem extract, provitamin B5 and MSM condition while calming redness and irritation. So there's that. It says to use 2 to 3 times a week at night. Apply to clean skin, leave on for a few minutes and follow with your usual nighttime routine or wash off after 10 to 15 minutes. It's up to you really. This is worth £68 and then it goes into telling you what I've just read off the back there. So we've got an evening liquid mask. There's mascara added to this box. It's not mentioned on the website, not that I can see anyway, and it's not mentioned in the product list. So it must be like an added freebie then. It's a full-size mascara. Oh, what is it? Is it a clear mascara? Le Serum Sourcils, Mascara Sourcils, La Bouche Rouge. I'm going to have to look this up. Hold on. It's an eyebrow serum. It's full size and it's worth £36. Why isn't it mentioned on the website? But if you've bought this box, please let me know if you've got this in there as well. Where serum meets gel and housed in 100% recycled glass, this unique formula unites nourishing pistachio oil with green caviar extract, which forms a protective shield over your delicate skin and brow hair. Brush there. A little surprise, maybe. Then we've got the new These are Defense Drops, liquid food supplement containing a blend of herbal extracts. There's 30 mils here. It says we make supplements from clean sources using ingredients that do not harm people or the planet, using the best in science and nature. So that's what it looks like. This is full size and could be bought for £25. This immune boosting formula can be added to any liquid to create a potent first line of defence. You'll be fighting fit and feeling invincible in no time. Add 6 to 12 drops to liquid as required. So you can add it in anything really, smoothies maybe. And the last item, it might be small, but it is amazing. It is such a good product. And this 7ml is worth around £20. This is Augustinus Batter, the Rich Cream with TFCS. There. Gorgeous little cream. No, I got it all wrong. I had it in my head that it was £40. No, it's £69. This is 7 mils, so it's half that. So it's £34.50. It says the definition of cult cream, this miracle product is the brainchild of world-leading stem cell and biomedical scientist Professor Augustinus Batter. Powered by a patented trigger factor complex, the cream unlocks your body's innate code for skin rejuvenation, supporting cell renewal to reduce signs of aging and damage caused by environmental stresses. Your skin will look restored, plump and luminous, hydrated and glowing with health. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this luxury Unwrap Cult Beauty Christmas edit box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. For Bioeffect EGF Serum. We've got an Espa Relaxing Salt Scrub. We've got an LAlgenist Collagen Lip Treatment, a Verso Hydrating Serum, Oskia London Liquid Mask, Dear Mamiel iFix, the new Defense Drops, Dr. Barbara Sturm Anti-Aging Body Cream, Augustinus Batter the Rich Cream. As an added freebie, I'm guessing an eyebrow serum by La Bouche Rouge. I'm really impressed with it. The reviews on the website show that the people that have tried them love them. It's a really well put together box and I'm really grateful for all you lot that use my codes. Then I was able to use my credits towards getting this. But yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Did you go for any of the other boxes that Cult Beauty released? If so, which ones did you go for? And yeah, what you think of this one, I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.